What's up guys, in this short tutorial I will show you how to boost your FPS and improve the overall performance for CSGO. This should be quite an easy tutorial, but if you still have any questions then leave a comment and let me know. So first of all, open up your Steam library and right click CSGO. Here, on the General tab, select to set launch options. In this dialog box, use the following launch options. You can copy everything from the description below. FPS max 0. This command will uncap your FPS while playing CSGO. If you wish to cap it to a certain amount, for example 200, then change the command to FPS max 200. In order to see an FPS counter displayed while playing the game, use the command cl show FPS 1. To further improve performance, use the command nojoy to disable joystick support, nod 3d9ex, which will disable IndirectX extension, and high, which will run the game on a high priority to your components. This is especially useful if you have other programs running in the background. When this is done, open up your GeForce Experience application, or equivalent if you have an AMD GPU. Select CSGO and here select the wrench icon to turn down your graphics settings with this slider system. If you have a low-end PC or a laptop and the game cannot run in your native monitor resolution, then you can adjust the game resolution here to 720p for example. This will have a big impact on the visual quality, but you can sacrifice that for playing CSGO. Next, open up your NVIDIA control panel. Here in the Manage 3D Settings section, go to Program Settings. Click to add a new program and select CSGO. Lastly, scroll down to maximum pre-rendered frames and set it to 1. Apply your changes and close the window. When this is done, search for %temp%. This folder contains all of your temporary files, saved by your programs that should be deleted. You can safely delete everything in this folder. Some files might remain, so just leave them there. Lastly, make sure that your graphic drivers and operating system is up to date to get the most out of your components. I hope this helped you out. Leave a comment if you have any questions and see you in the next one.